maybe a little bit more credibility to one of the crazier conspiracy theories in the last several years anyway. How about this one? That wealthy, powerful, elitist people were planning, I will compare male to female with female to male. With greater molecular control over development, we are increasingly capable of producing novel phenotypes, more feminine men, by blocking testosterone receptors or through castration, and at the same time increasing estrogen production. The one blocks male features, the second encourages female features. More masculine women with heavy testosterone dosage have incredible external effects. Heavily bearded men, you would never guess they had a female bone in their body. First kind male to female is 4 times more frequent than female to male. The first is attractive. He is a woman with a male sex organ. So that if your fantasy is to engage in some interesting activities with male sex organs,